So this is our cook kit bag, and we all the time have people asking what utensils fit in here because the full-size home utensils don't. So we decided to, bam, look at that, utensils that fit. So we've now got some utensils that fit. We sell them in a set. You've got a little flipper thingy here. My favorite, the claw, right? Everybody needs a claw. Got a cute little thing on it so you can hang it. The claw, it's got sort of a scraper spoon, you know, so if you're scooping your stew out or whatever, you got that. And then it's got a spatula. But anyway, they're all silicone, all food safe grade, all that fun stuff. And they all fit inside of our little slots here. So you can drop them in the cook kit bag. Bam. Bam, and then you still got two small slots for like skewers and stuff like that, shish kebabi kind of things on the side. And you've got room in these if you want to drop some other utensils, spoons, forks, whatever, knives in there too, as far as the small side. And then this side, obviously, is forks. And you can always put knives and forks across the front, and on this, you can put them everywhere. So you can find all your cooking utensils, or at least these four, at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com. They're the ones that fit in our cook kit bag. We've got them. They're for sale now. If you got a cook kit bag and you don't love the set you got, come check these out. If you're getting a cook kit bag, you should totally get this. We're actually doing, there's like a package deal where you buy the cook kit bag and we'll you know, for a few dollars, I don't know how much, but there's for some money, you can buy these. It's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. Utensils for the cook kit bag, finally.